Ex-Lord Mayor's home seized after court battle. Abigail Marshall Kattung, pictured with her husband Sunday Marshall Kattung, has lived in the home since 2015. The home of a former Lord Mayor of Leeds has been seized by the UK law enforcement agency responsible for tackling organised crime and drug trafficking. The National Crime Agency, NCA, won a High Court battle with Abigail Marshall Kattung over the rights to the house on Sandmoor Drive in Alwoodley. The house had been previously owned by a businessman who was suspected of money laundering offences. He handed it over in 2020 as part of a deal with the NCA. During the court hearing, Mrs. Kattung said she had entered into an agreement with the previous owner to buy the house in 2015. Mrs. Kattung said she had paid him about £400,000 of the contracted £1 million purchase price, but the remaining sum was never provided. The court heard the majority of the funds were sent from Nigeria, where Mrs. Kattung was born, to the UK using an informal money transfer service, which she described as the black market, although she said it was not illegal. On the 6th June, the High Court ruled despite the payments, Mrs. Kattung had no legitimate interest or right to the property, which will now be transferred to the NCA. In his ruling, Mr. Justice J said there were telling omissions from Mrs. Kattung's evidence, adding that he was not satisfied that she was a particularly reliable witness. In a statement, Mrs. Kattung said her account was consistent. Labour councillor Mrs. Kattung, who was not aware of the accusations made against the home's former owner, said she would appeal against the decision.